Login failed on TaxSlayer Fix. You sit down to access your TaxSlayer account, but the app flashes a frustrating message: login failed. Don't worry, this problem is surprisingly common and can be solved in just a few easy steps. Let's start with the basics. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials. TaxSlayer usernames and passwords are case sensitive, so even one wrong character can cause a failed login. If you can't remember your details, tap Forgot Password, follow the prompts and check your email for the reset link. If it doesn't appear, check your spam folder. Many users overlook that step. Next, if you're sure your credentials are correct, but the app still won't let you in, clear your browser or app cache. Old login data can cause conflicts. On a browser, clear your cookies and history. On mobile, open your phone settings, find the TaxSlayer app, and tap Clear Cache or Clear Data. Then reopen the app and try again. If you're using the website, try switching browsers. For example, move from Safari to Chrome or Firefox. Each browser handles stored sessions differently, and a quick switch often solves the issue. Also, check your internet connection. If you're on public Wi-Fi or using a VPN, TaxSlayer might block that connection for security reasons. Disable your VPN and connect through a secure private network. Another key step, ensure your app or browser is up to date. TaxSlayer regularly updates its software to meet our security standards, and outdated versions can reject logins automatically. If none of these fixes work, the issue may be on their side. During high traffic periods, like tax season, server delays or temporary maintenance can interrupt logins. Wait about 15 minutes and try again. So, when TaxSlayer says login failed, it's not the end of the world. Check your credentials, clear your cache, update your app, and you'll be back preparing your taxes with confidence.